For some people, it's all about the destination. It's all about that goal, and they'll move mountains to get to that goal. Influencers out there that are saying to people, get hungry, hustle, just do what you need to do to get to that goal. I was a victim of that mindset. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that mindset. For anyone who wants to challenge me, challenge me. I've been there, I've done it. I think it's better to have a different mindset, and that is break down that goal into small steps. If you could say, for example, write down everything that you want your life to look like on one page, and then write down what are some of those steps to take, or what do you want it to look like, and just do one or two of those little steps. There's that saying, how to start your day off right, start by making your bed. Get those little tasks out of the way first. A lot of people get caught up on a large goal. It's so unachievable, they don't even know where to start. But I can tell you, you take those first few steps, little step at a time, that process is way more fun than putting yourself through all that pain to get to that goal and say, okay, I achieved it, big deal, now what? What are we doing next? Really got to concentrate on all those little steps.